Okay, so you may be wondering right now why I'm talking about social media on this channel that is devoted to tips and tricks to simplify a healthy lifestyle. The truth is that within a healthy lifestyle, our mental health is just as important as our physical health. And with so much talk going on right now about Instagram taking away the likes feature and really just how social media is affecting the quality of our lives, I thought now would be the perfect time to talk about strategies and how you can prevent social media from having a negative impact on your own life. You see, most of us have a love-hate relationship with social media. I'm sure you can relate. You love how it allows you to stay in touch with your friends and your family. You love having a platform that enables you to share your thoughts and your ideas with others. And you love being able to connect with people who you may not otherwise have met in real life. The relationships that social media affords can truly be life-changing. But you resent the time suck that social media can be. You hate how tempting it is to mindlessly scroll all day, wasting time that could be otherwise spent doing something that is much more productive. And even more, you loathe the comparison trap that you often fall into, watching everyone else's highlight reel and secretly wondering why your life doesn't look like it came straight off of a Pinterest board. So the question becomes, how can you maximize social media for its advantages while preventing feelings of inadequacy from surfacing? It starts with being intentional with how you use social media. And in this video, I'm sharing with you my best strategies for enjoying social media without allowing it to overtake your life. Hey there, I'm Brittany and I'm the face behind MisfitFarmer.com. Every week I deliver videos on how to simplify your fitness routine and enjoy lasting weight loss. If you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss when a video drops. Nowadays, we live in a world where people treat life as a constant status update and where people show more concern over how their lives appear to others rather than how their lives feel. We validate moments based on how many likes and comments we receive. We snap photos to prove to others that we are busy enjoying life. We get so preoccupied with trying to live a life for others that we often forget how important it is to live a life for ourselves. It's no stretch of the imagination that this generation's drug of choice may in fact be social media. And while it's easy to point fingers and blame social media for ruining our lives, I have a slightly different take on the matter. You see, here's my reflection to you. Social media is nothing more than a tool, which means that your experience, whether good or bad, is largely dependent on how you decide to use it. Social media can add to the quality of your life. It can absolutely improve your relationships, and it most certainly can enhance your communication skills. But here's the trick. It takes some work to fully enjoy those benefits. So to help you up your social media game, I'm sharing with you my top 3 must-follow rules for when it comes to social media. So rule number 1 to better social media use is to set limits. Cutting back on social media use has never been easier thanks to a number of apps and settings that now allow you to put a time limit on your social app usage. Now, iPhone users can access this feature right from the settings menu. Simply click Settings, Screen Time, App Limits, Set Limits. Now, to be fair, this isn't a hard and fast enforcement. Time limits can be ignored. If you're over your allotted time, you simply have to tap the Ignore the Limit to keep scrolling. But the power with this feature is that it increases your awareness of social media use. That's pretty important, my friends, because you can't change something that you're not even aware you're doing. In my experience, I was quite shocked to learn just how much time I was spending on my daily scroll. While I still have days where I'm tempted to stay on my phone, I will admit that this feature has done wonders to curb my social media cravings. Now, if you're having trouble adhering to your social media limits, start small. Gradually decrease the time allotted on your social apps each week instead of trying to reduce it all in one fell swoop. Now, moving on to rule number 2, it's to turn off your notifications. It's easy to get distracted in today's world. It's even easier to lose focus when your phone is continually chirping new updates at you, alerting you of new happenings on your favorite social apps. The best thing that you can do to feel more at peace, to reduce anxiety, and to actually increase your productivity is to disable all your push notifications. Again, for iPhone users, simply visit your settings to adjust this feature. When we allow those small chirps and dings to dictate when we hop on social media, we are transferring our control over to the app. Instead, mute those messages and decide for yourself when you want to consume social media. Now, rule number 3 for better social media use is to curate your content. Keep in mind that your experience of social media is largely influenced not only by the quantity of content that you are consuming, but also the quality of content. You, my friend, are in control of much of the content that reaches your screen. Don't take that power lightly. Unfollow accounts that leave you feeling drained or that trigger you to make comparisons against your own life. And seek out accounts that uplift you, that inspire you, and that motivate you to grow into the very best version of you possible. Remember, in the end, life is but a series of fleeting moments. They're collected and savored, but truly only experienced in present time. So don't get so caught up in capturing the moment to share across social media that you forget to live it. Now, if you've enjoyed the content in this video, of course give it a thumbs up, but also check out my latest videos. In this one, I share the simple mindset shift that will help you lose weight more easily. And in this one, I help you adopt a healthy mindset in 4 easy steps. Also, don't forget to check out my free 5-day challenge that's going on right now. I've named this challenge the Start Living Healthy Challenge because it's your 5-day quick start guide to losing weight and living healthy. Simply go to startlivinghealthychallenge.com to sign up and get started today. I'll include the link in the description box below. As a part of this 5-day free fitness challenge, I'm giving you an easy to follow system that will help you find the time to take charge of your healthy lifestyle, no matter how busy you currently are. More importantly, this challenge is designed to eliminate the overwhelm and the frustration of trying to build healthy habits. So again, that link to sign up is startlivinghealthychallenge.com. Head there now to get started to improving your healthy lifestyle today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, I'm here to support you, and I will see you in the next video.